yes, the vehicle are coming. You can see the vehicle are coming. Yes, yes, you can see.
Ka iingkashari Chief Judicial Magistrate CJM hakakat kendai terik jeliu kala aipor sa arsngi ya ka Special Investigation Team SIT banset ya ka Sonam Raghuvanshi bad ya ubai jongka uraj khushwaha haka police custody kat baya ki langut ki weipat ki badan ketilang halor ke jingsha peniap uraja Raghuvanshi la phah set kat sausngi hapo judicial custody. Barok kini kirunar ki badan keti hakate ka kampanyap ya uraja Raghuvanshi hakatain sora lawalam tian bishar biang hapo ka iingkashari hadien balakut no ka police custody ka baprasngi kenti. Hadien ke jingkerpat ngilayok bor sa arsngi banset ya ka Sonam bat ya uraj hapo police custody kat ba ya ki langur ki weipat kirunar ki bakentup ya u Akash Rajput u Vishal Singh Chauhan bat u Anand Kurmi la phah set khat sausngi hapo judicial custody ong u Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Sim habakren Shakilat Pathai Khubor. Haka khat sauterik jeliu ka SIT kalala ban pendep ha ke bayadei bat ke jinglet penuan durbiang ya ke kampanyap ha ke balalap din biang saya ke weipat ka tiar peniap ka baar nakak syai wei saudong. Ka SIT kalalet ru ha keleng ki jaka naduk ke jaka peniang kali ha mau lakiat ka jaka ba uraja bat ka Sonam ki peniang ya ke skuti ka bakila shimwai bat ru ha ke jaka peniang kali ha ksait wei saudong ka jaka balaja ka kampanyap. Katkum ke jingat hu ki pulit kini ki runar ki la peniap ya uraja ha ka jaka peniang kali hajan ka ksait wei saudong bat bread ya ka met jong u ha ka jaka riat bejeliu ka badan marjan ha ka arpunai terik ujemang baladem. Unia uhe pulit ula ongru baka kenhun ki pulit ke jela menta kadang don sya indur ban penlong ya ke jing tohkit ha ka bayadei bat kene ke jingja khamtam ya ki bahaying jong ka Sonam Raghuvanshi. Ngila dep ru ban keli jing keli ya u Govind Raghuvanshi bat ya ka kemi jong u bat menta kila pentikna mano banyak ya ka kali bat mano balaya lam ya ka Sonam sya Uttar Pradesh ula benram. USP ula ong ru ba Sanjay Verma udai tangka kerteng thong ka baha ka jing shisha la register ha ka true caller Henry unamba udai hi jong uraj khushwaha.
Sonam and this Raj Kushwa given 2 days police custody and others that is Anand Bishal and Akash they were given 14 days judicial custody.
We asked 2 days police custody for Raj and Sonam, and we've got those 2 days police custody. We have sent the 3 other accused, Anand, Vicky and Akash, to judicial custody, and as and when our team arrives or we get more developments from there, we will be taking custody for them later. But as of now, we have taken 2 days police custody for Sonam and Raj, and we've got that. No, investigation is already in progress, and we've already taken 8 days of police custody. These 2 days we'll be taking because after the 2 days are over, then we'll do a lot of analysis also because, like I said, the team is out there in Indore, and we don't want to lose out because we will still have another 4 days with us after the 2 days of police custody. So we are taking piecemeal. Once we have done the 2 days, then we'll do analysis and investigation, and then again, if required, we will take police custody.
So when will be the next production, sir?
Next production will be on Saturday. I can't say when they will come back, but they are doing a lot of work out there. See, they already done the questioning of Govind Raghuvanshi out there, Govind's mother, and today they have ascertained who the driver was who took Sonam to UP. No, this name I don't know how it emanated, but Sanjay Verma is just a fictitious name which is actually registered in Truecaller. The number pertains to Raj himself, Raj Kushwaha himself. See, regarding those statistics, I will not be able to tell you. I don't know where you got these statistics. Those are actually evidentiary. That's evidentiary material. But the tally of calls between Raj and Sonam is huge. See, the second team is still looking for that second phone out there, because we believe that second phone is probably with the jewelry and other items which Sonam has left behind. and we were hoping that when the team goes there, and the place was locked, so the items of Sonam would be there. But it appears that it has been shifted from there by somebody, and the team is out there to ascertain who has taken it and where all these items are. See, we've reached out to him and we've written to Instagram to give us details about. We've already reached out to him, but he has not answered back to us. But we've already taken up with Instagram to give us details so that his statement can be recorded also. See, the passenger who has said that she met on the 7th, it does not add up because Sonam was still in Indore on the 7th. Who she saw out there, I don't know. So that becomes irrelevant because whether she really saw Sonam or not is cannot be taken as a fact because Sonam on the 8th was still in Indore. It is interrogation हो रहा है और a lot of questions are being asked and all that. That is police custody is not, she's not just languishing out there, but a lot of interrogation is going on. A lot of finding out about more facts into as we ask questions, as we dig into it, we get more facts and all that, and we get the complete picture. That is the whole purpose of actually asking for police custody. A simple food, dal, sabji, rice.